Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You grab your phone. You see money landed in your account. It happened while you were sleeping. No boss, no meetings, no stress. This is the power of passive income. Today I am sharing 10 real ideas. Each one can make it happen for you. Stick around until number 7. That idea genuinely surprised me. Hit subscribe before we start. It helps the channel grow. Let's dive in. Ever seen massage chairs in a mall? Those are quiet money machines. Here is how it works. You buy the chairs online. Sites like Alibaba sell them. Each one costs a few $1,000s. You place them in busy locations. Airports work great. Shopping malls are perfect. Gym lobbies bring steady traffic. Someone sits down. They pay $3. The rollers do the rest. No staff needed, no daily check-ins required. The machine takes payments automatically. It alerts you if something breaks. 50 users a day means $150 from just one chair. Most owners break even in 6 months. After that, it is pure profit. Start with one chair, test the location, then scale up. This next one is beautiful. You never touch a single shirt. Come up with a catchy phrase, something like less drama, more coffee, or design for a specific niche. Dog lovers love custom shirts. Gamers love gaming quotes. Gym people love motivational designs. Cannot design yourself? Hire someone on Fiverr. $20 gets you a great design. Upload it to Printful. A customer places an order. Printful prints the shirt. They pack it. They ship it to the customer. You never see the product. You just keep the profit. Sell a shirt for $25. Printful charges you $10. You pocket $15 per order. The real work is marketing. Post short reels. Make TikTok videos. Run small targeted ads. One winning design can sell for years. Everyone needs templates. Small businesses need invoices. Freelancers need proposals. Parents want chore charts. Creators want content calendars. Open Canva or PowerPoint. Build something clean and useful. Upload it to Etsy or list it on Gumroad. Price it between $5 and $20. Customers download it instantly. They edit their own version. You never lift a finger again. The magic is leverage. Build it once. Sell it 1,000 times. One afternoon of work. Years of passive income. Pinterest is your best friend here. Learn to pin properly. Sales flow on autopilot. Not cheap vending machines. I mean real bean to cup machines. They grind fresh beans. They pull real espresso. They serve proper lattes. All in under a minute. Where do you place them? Office buildings work great. Hospitals bring steady traffic. Universities are perfect. Train stations never sleep. You charge $3 per cup. The machine takes tap payments. It accepts contactless cards. Your only job is restocking. Beans, milk powder, cups. Once a week is enough. Or pay someone to do it. Negotiate fair rent with the owner. Good locations pay for themselves fast. Then it becomes a tiny robot barista, working for you around the clock. The sleep market is exploding. Mental wellness is booming. Here is how to cash in. Write simple meditation scripts, a body scan, a breathing exercise, a bedtime story for adults. Do not like your voice? Hire a narrator on Fiverr. $20 gets you a recording. Add soft background music. Use a royalty-free library. Upload everything to Patreon. Or build a simple membership site. Charge $5 a month. Record 20 tracks to start. That is it. Subscribers pay you every month, whether you add new content or not. Quick reminder, smash that like button if this is helpful. This one is a patience game, but it pays big when it hits. You register smart domain names, short ones, brandable ones, niche-specific ones. Each domain costs $10 to $15 a year. Use GoDaddy or Namecheap. Then you wait. List them on Flippa. Or try Seto and Dan. A founder starts a company. They need that exact name. They reach out to buy it. Some domains sell for hundreds. Others sell for thousands. Pizza.com sold for millions. You will not win every time. But smart picks can pay for all the others and still leave serious profit. This is the surprising one. Platforms let you act like a bank. Mintos is popular. Funding societies is solid. Bondora works well too. You lend small amounts to borrowers. Someone renovating a house. A small business needing inventory. A personal loan request. You earn interest in return. Usually between 5 and 12% per year. Start with just $100. Split it across many loans. This spreads your risk. The platform collects payments. It handles all the chasing. Your earnings land in the dashboard. You just watch it grow. It is not risk-free. Borrowers can default. Research each platform carefully. Read recent reviews. Start small, but your money finally starts working for you. Recipes are searched millions of times daily. People pay for curated ones. Pick a specific audience. High-protein gym meals, 30-minute vegan dinners, toddler lunchbox ideas. Write 15 recipes. Take clean photos, or use stock images. Export it all as a PDF. Sell it on Gumroad, or your own simple site. Charge $7 to $15. Promote on Pinterest. Post Instagram Reels. Every download is pure profit, no shipping required, no inventory to manage. Make one pack, then make another. Bundle them together. Raise the price. Watch passive sales roll in. Think outside the box. Projectors for backyard movies, drones for weddings, photo booths for birthdays, sound systems for small parties. You buy the gear once. Build a simple booking page. Customers book online. They pay a deposit. A courier handles pickup and drop-off, or they collect it themselves. Rent each item for $50 a day. Some gear goes for $80. Start with 2 or 3 items. See what books the fastest. Scale into what sells. Your only job is checking the gear and cashing the deposits. That is it. Parents will pay for anything educational, especially if it keeps kids off random videos. You do not need to code. Create printable activity packs. Phonics worksheets, math puzzles, themed coloring sheets. Bundle them monthly. Charge $3 to $5 per month. Parents get a fresh pack every month. You create once. You earn monthly. Want to go bigger? Partner with a freelance developer. Build simple learning games. Either way, subscriptions add up fast. One happy parent. 12 months of payments. Do the math. That is the full list. 10 real ideas for passive income. Each one can work with effort up front. Here is my honest truth. Passive income is never fully passive. Every idea needs setup work. But here is the beauty. Once the system runs, income flows. Your hours no longer limit your earnings. Pick just one idea, the one that fits your skills, the one that matches your budget. Start small, learn as you go, build from there. Which idea excites you most? Drop the number in the comments. I read every single one. Enough comments on one idea, I will make a full deep dive video. Found this helpful? Smash the like button, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Do not miss the next video. Catch you soon.